वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे अ बिगिनर्स गाइड टू मेक मनी ऑन एटसी। एटसी प्लेटफॉर्म से जो है वो आप लोग किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हम देखेंगे आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन का जो है वो प्रेस कर दीजिए। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। इफ़ यू आर क्रिएटिव पर्सन and if you are on Creative Fabrica, Creative Fabrica, downloading your font and graphic bundles for passion projects, then you have probably thought about the possibility of turning your hobby into a money-making venture. Well, now the best time to do so. Etsy is the one of the most viable places where you can launch a creative side hustle with millions of buyers from all over the world. If you love creating printable planners, designing wedding invites, and stationery, assembling paper craft with assets from our Creative Fabrica library, Etsy has spot for your niche. Vary about taking the leap to creative entrepreneurship. If you are newbie seller, things may start off slow for you. But hold on tight. In this article, we will show you ways on how to make money and eventually become rich with Etsy. Why sell on Etsy? Pros and cons to consider. Etsy is a very popular marketplace for creatives for several reasons. One is that it's very easy to use and maintain. Its established name is a great assurance of its quality of service to having been around for quite a long time. It has built-in audience that starting entrepreneurs can readily tap. It is not it is not a perfect platform by any means because of its popularity. You have to expect to complete. You have to compete with millions of active sellers. One way you can compete is by lowering your prices, which can greatly lower your profit margin. It's not a very customizable site as well. So if you want to have a certain branding, Etsy may not be place for you. However, if you are new to online business, Etsy is as good place to start as any. The platform is known to support small business, encouraging their growth and consistently finding ways to improve sellers' experience in their site. It also has a community of experienced sellers who are always more than willing to share knowledge and tips to thrive on the site. Plus, if you follow our tips in this article, you will find plenty of ways to make money on Etsy even as a beginner. How to make money on Etsy in 5 steps. Starting an Etsy store is not by any means a get rich quick scheme. However, there are concrete things you can do to increase your chances of running a profitable store. How to make money on Etsy in 5 easy steps. Creating a solid pricing strategy. Making money is directly correlated to your pricing strategy, so you need to price your products competitively. Take into consideration the uh, cost of materials and tools you use, transportation or shipping, time spent on manual labor, and prices of your competitors selling similar products on Etsy. It would also help you if you could cut down on create certain things without compromising क्वालिटी। तो Etsy प्लेटफॉर्म से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये हमने देखा आज की वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। टेक केयर, गुड बाय।